How's it going, guys? Jira Bro back with you another video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about the creation and the usage of your own custom linking. And what you're gonna type is link, and you go here where it says go to work item linking. By default, your work item linking is currently turned on. What you can actually do in here, you can add new link type. It's going to have a name, it's going to have outward link description and inward link description. The users, they're going to be either saying reviews or is reviewed by, or in this case, duplicates or is duplicated by. How we are actually gonna name this? We can be yeah, let's go with approve is approved by. Gonna click on add. We're done with that. Let's go to one of our projects in here. Let me go to platform development. Let me go to the backlog. And within the backlog itself, I'm going to be choosing this one. Let me see if it has any links. It does. Perfect. You're going to click on link work item. Now, there we go. It's saying approves. I can say this approves this one. As you can see from here, what you can actually notice is that this is one project, this is the another project. And also I can have, or I can say as approved by, and I can say this is being approved by this one right here. And that is how the linking actually works. It's that simple. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See ya.